13 psychology tricks that will work on anybody. Every human being is a unique universe. However, psychologists keep discovering new behavioral patterns that are believed to be rooted in our childhood and can be applied to everyone. Do you want to learn how to make people respect you and listen to you? Have a look at these useful psychology tricks. They might affect your communication skills positively and make your life easier in some way. 13. How to find out if a person likes you. To determine if a person likes you, pick a word, and every time he or she uses this word, nod and smile. If the person does like you, watch him or her start using the word all the time. 12. How to make people take your words seriously. Every time you tell them something, say that your father taught you this. People tend to believe parents' advice inherently. 11. How to become an ultimate rock, paper, scissors champion. To win at the rock, paper, scissors game, ask your opponent a random question right before playing it. Most of the time, your confused friend will throw scissors. 10. How to make people agree with you. If you want people to agree with you, just nod and maintain eye contact while you're talking. The nod sign means everything I'm saying is true. Yeah! Plus, following social behavior patterns, people tend to nod back. Yeah! 9. Look right in front of you in crowded places. Have you ever wished the subway wasn't that crowded in the morning? In crowded places, look right in front of you, in the direction in which you're going. You will be impressed watching the crowd give way to you. This trick is easy to explain. In crowded places, we tend to look other people in the eyes so that we know which direction someone is going. We take the opposite way so not to run into each other. 8. What to do if a certain song is stuck in your head. If a certain song is stuck in your head and you would love to forget it, try to think of the end of the song. According to the Zeigarnik effect, our brain tends to remember the things that we've left unfinished. So if you think of the end of the annoying earworm, you will be able to get it out of your head. 7. How to make your kids eat broccoli. Go ahead and ask them if they want 2 or 5 stalks of broccoli instead of asking them if they want broccoli. Thus, you've made your mind and chose broccoli for their lunch. But they feel like they have made their own decision. You can use the same old trick in different situations. 6. When you feel that someone is watching you, yawn and look around. If someone is actually stalking you, they will yawn too, since yawning is highly contagious. 5. How to make anyone help you carry stuff. Your friend will most likely help you carry, let's say, a box of your stuff if you continue talking while handing over the box. The majority of people won't even notice you're handing them something and will take it. However, some people more attentive and less close to you may get pretty confused. 4. The warm hand trick. If you know you're going to shake hands with someone, make sure your hands are warm enough. Warm hands promote a friendly atmosphere, while cold handshaking will trigger the opposite effect. 3. How to become a good listener. Whatever your friend has just said, paraphrase it and repeat it. The person who talks to you will subconsciously get the feeling you are a great listener. Just don't go too far with the paraphrasing thing. 2. If you want someone to help you. If you want someone to help you, start your phrase with the words, "I need your help." People hate feeling guilty, and that's why they won't be able to refuse your help. 1. If you believe a person doesn't like you, ask if you can borrow his pencil or pen. On one hand, people tend not to help those whom they don't like. But on the other hand, it's such a small favor that your hater most likely won't be able to say no. Eventually, he will come to the conclusion that you're not that bad.